Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at a product that was sent out to me to review. This is from Otto. This is the OTTOCAST. This is a screen for your car or truck. It has some amazing features. Now, if you're using Android or iOS, this will work. I will be using this with an iOS device, so I'll be using it with Apple CarPlay. Let's unbox this, take a look at exactly what comes in the box, and see if this is going to be a good fit for me in my workflow, my lifestyle, and if it's going to be ideal for my truck. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, let's take a look at what comes in the box. The box is real easy to open. It just slides open like you see here. Pull off this little outer sleeve. And then this is the internal box. Just going to pop this guy open. All right, so the first thing we're greeted with is going to be the foam packing for the box, which is pretty good. You know, you have this nice little packing material. It does come with a starter manual. This is going to kind of walk you through everything that you need to get started, setting this guy up. All right, so the first thing that we're greeted with is going to be the actual touch screen itself. We'll come back to this in a second. Also inside of the box, other than packaging, we have some connection cables, things like that. So let's take a look at those real quick. So you're going to receive a rear camera. Of course, you could probably mount this forward if you wanted to, but ideally this is a rear facing camera so you can see out your back window. Here's your standard 3.5 for connecting directly into the device. Really nice long cable. This should be relatively easy to set up. You also receive a 3.5. This is for audio interface, so this is so you can connect it to older devices and play this through the speakers of your vehicle. And you receive a USB to 12 volt plug here. This is going to allow you to power this device in your truck or car or RV or boat or whatever it is you want to put this in. Last thing in the box is a little bit of tape and a couple of screws, and this is just for mounting. Okay guys, let's take a quick look at our monitor, our touch screen. So as you guys can see, it is a really nice design. Now this does have the adhesive here at the base so that you'll be able to easily connect this to your vehicle's dashboard. It does give a little warning down here. It says, let this cure for 24 hours. You can detach this if you want to. This comes off right here. And this is going to allow you, if you want to just set this up in advance and then come back and then attach the monitor to it. On the side here, you guys can see we have our power input, we have our audio connection, we have a slot for an SD card, and we also have a slot here for the camera. On the very top up here, we have our power button, as you see. So let's connect this guy to power. And let me show you exactly how it works. So temporarily, we're just going to use this little battery as an example. So you would plug this into the cigarette lighter plug of your vehicle, like this 12 volt input here on this battery. Plug that guy in like so. Let's go ahead and power that on. And at this point, all we have to do is now plug this in here. There you have it. The screen is now on. And when you first get this, you're obviously going to want to connect it to CarPlay. So to connect it to CarPlay, you would just click here on CarPlay, and it's going to give you the option of connecting to either CarPlay or Android Auto. So whichever the two you want to connect to. Now, once it's connected to your device, you can go in and customize the look of the screen. So if you want specific type of icons, you can change those. And right here, you have your phone call, music, maps, but we also have a floating button here that you can kind of move around on the screen. And this is just going to give you quick access to a lot of things. So if we press on the little icon here, you guys see we get this kind of little wheel that pops out. And this is going to give us our home, our volume, our brightness, all of those controls right here. So if we go to, say, the brightness setting, we could actually bring the brightness up on this screen. So hopefully you guys are seeing that. Podcasts, audiobooks, news, you can scroll back and forth, like I said before, between the different screens. You can continue here and add additional widgets. So it says welcome to widgets, and you can click on continue if you want to. Let's see what else do we have here. So we have our calendar, we have our standard settings that you can go in and adjust, your wallpaper, display, all of those things are built into this device, guys. So another cool thing to like about it, if you guys are into, entertainment, maybe you have some kids or something, you can play your your Amazon Music. You can also you can set up a clock. So you can just have a clock display on here, and just like with your iOS device, you can set up different things within the clock parameters, which is really nice. So it really has a lot of amazing features that you can utilize with this. So as you guys can see here, going back to home, that's going to give you access to YouTube, to Netflix, to TikTok, YouTube Music, if that's something that you're into. You also have some other little features here, like your settings, your audio settings as well. And you can go through, if you've saved things on your SD card, you have a file folder here, you have your gallery. You also have an app store that you can log into if you need to download additional apps to this device. So I think, in most cases, guys, this is going to be an ideal little screen. It is ultra thin. It's not going to take up a lot of space on your dashboard. It's going to be a permanent application to it. Now, this does have a little screen protector on here, and I'm going to remove this just so you guys can see the screen a little bit better. Let me just go ahead and take this off completely. All right, so now you guys should see the full brilliance of this screen. So hopefully this video has been helpful to some of you guys who are out there interested in getting an additional screen for your car, or if maybe you're like me, you have an older truck and you want to be able to add something new, something innovative, be able to quickly, entertain the family and friends on long trips. I think this is going to be a win. And especially the fact that you have integrated maps and, CarPlay or Android Auto, this is a win. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.